there's a striker on the pitch who never stands where a striker is supposed to stand. He's not in the penalty box, he's not waiting for a cross, he's not even trying to score most of the time. He's drifting back toward the midfield and the defenders behind him don't know whether to follow or not. That confusion, that's the entire plan. The number on his back says 9. His job description says something else entirely. Here's exactly how it works. The false 9 is a striker who drops deep. That's it. That is the whole concept. Instead of waiting near the opponent's goal, being the big physical target everyone crosses the ball to, he retreats into the gap between the midfield and the defense. He receives passes, he builds attacks, he links play, and the most important thing he does, he leaves the penalty box completely empty. No striker standing there, just space. Here is why that matters. A center back has one job. Mark the number 9. Wherever he goes, you go. Simple, comfortable, routine. The moment the striker walks away from the penalty box, that center back faces a choice with no good answer. Follow him into midfield and leave a gaping hole behind you. Or hold your position and let him receive the ball completely unmarked, turn, and dictate the game. One wrong decision and your entire defensive line collapses. In November 1953, Hungary walked into Wembley, home of football, England's fortress, and beat England 6-3. Hungary's forward Nandor Hidekuti never once stood where England's defenders expected him to be. He dropped deep into midfield, received the ball, and ran the show from there. England's centre half spent 90 minutes frozen between two terrible options. He described feeling utter helplessness. Hidekuti scored a hat-trick. The first time most of the world saw a false 9, it ended in humiliation for the birthplace of the game. Here is the part most people miss. The false 9 doesn't abandon the penalty box permanently. He reserves it. He drifts through the midfield for most of the match, connecting passes, dragging defenders out of shape, and then at exactly the right moment he appears, just in time, just in the right place. Pep Guardiola, who famously used Lionel Messi in this role, described it exactly. The penalty area belongs to the false 9, on the strict condition that he only enters it to finish. With the 2026 FIFA World Cup now underway, every serious attacking team faces the same question: traditional striker or false 9? Spain already answered it at Euro 2012. No conventional center forward. Cesc Fabregas dropping deep in the false 9 role. The final, Spain 4, Italy 0. The teams worth watching in the 2026 FIFA World Cup will almost certainly answer it the same way. The false 9 is not a player who forgot where to stand. It is a deliberate tactical weapon. A center forward who vacates his position on purpose because his absence is more dangerous than his presence. He overloads the midfield, draws defenders out of position, and clears the most dangerous space on the pitch. Then, at the exact right moment, he walks back into it. You never saw him coming. That was the entire idea. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome. Subscribe if you enjoyed this type of content. It means a lot.